And welcome back to another demolition teardown video here in South Florida. I know I appear like a small ant and you may not even notice where I am on the screen, but I'm here today because I want to show you guys another building that's getting demolished and torn down. It's that one just above my small head in that area down there. It's currently going through some destruction. This building is known as the Recovery Institute of South Florida. It's located right here in the heart of Fort Lauderdale, just on Southeast 3rd Avenue, a little north of Davie Blvd. Now, what I'm going to be doing is just some aerial footage of the destruction. Let me not bore you with my words, and let's just dig right into the carnage of what's left of this building. So I don't know much, but this was some place where people came to recover. Now it's permanently closed and it's undergoing a demolition. Another building right next to it is also getting destroyed. Wood, shrapnel, concrete, rubble, all over the place scattered. Little part of this building remains. This once was a big home. I thought it was a house, but it actually turned out to be this recovery rehab place, I believe. Well, thank you for watching. I appreciate your time investing into watching my video.